Hi. How are you? Hi. I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine, thanks. What's your name? My name is John. And yours? My name is Maria. Nice to meet you, John. Nice to meet you too, Maria. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. And you? I'm from the United States. Do you like it here? Yes, I like it very much. It's very nice. How about you? I love it here. The people are friendly and the food is great. That's good to hear. What do you do? I'm a student. I study English. And you? I work in a store. I help customers. That sounds interesting. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. I enjoy talking to people. What about you? Do you like studying English? Yes, I like it. It's a little hard, but I'm learning every day. That's great. Keep practicing and you'll get better. Thanks. I will. You're welcome.